Presenting the boAt Airdopes 121v2 true wireless earbuds with up to 14 hours playback, lightweight earbuds, 8 drivers, LED indicators and multifunction controls. Midnight blue. The headphones comes in color options of active black, cherry blossom, and midnight blue. It comes with dual tone and real-time audio with Bluetooth 5.0. It also features fully compatible with iPhones and Android devices. It also features frequency 20 Hz 20 kHz, true wireless experience and powerful 8mm drivers. The delivery box contains Airdopes 121v2, additional earbuds and charging cable. User manual and warranty. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.